Hi, my name is Cole Stratton, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a page for your organization on Facebook. For my project, I focused specifically on ESPN and how they promote themselves using Facebook. So we're going to kind of go through the steps that they took to create a page. So first, obviously, what you're going to do is go to facebook.com, and you'll come up to this sign up screen right here. Now, the first place you're going to want to click is at the bottom. There is a link to create a page for a celebrity band or business, and this is actually where we're going to go. Okay. So what Facebook does is it groups its organizations into different categories. As you can see, we have local business, company, organization, institution, brand or product, and you can see the other ones. But for our example, we're going to use company, organization, or institution. All right, so as Facebook, the first thing they want you to do is select a category so that when people are trying to search for your organization, they can actually do it by category. And you can see all the categories listed here. But what we're going to do ours under is organization. Now for the organization that we're going to create for this example, we're going to create UWG Triathlon. Okay, and now if you want to, you have to agree to the Facebook page's terms, and if you want to read those, just click the link, and you can scroll through and read these. Just letting you know what Facebook rights they have and what rights you have. All right, so once you click that, you can check it and click Get Started. All right, now this is if you do not have a Facebook account already personally, because somebody has to be the administrator of the page. So because I already have a Facebook account, I'm going to click here. But if I wanted to create a new Facebook account, you can go through the steps here like you would if you wanted to create a Facebook account regularly. So I already have a Facebook account. So now it's going to take me to the sign in screen, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay. Alright, so now it's going to take us through the steps to actually create our home page and set up all of our miscellaneous data. So first what we're going to want to do is actually upload an image to be our profile picture. So I've already actually selected one from the internet, so I'm just going to save it to the computer. So I'm just going to upload one from my computer. Let's see, here's the one that I have selected, so I'm just going to double click that. And here's our new profile picture. So once we've uploaded that, we can hit next, and then you can add a little description about what your page is about. So I'm going to say UWG Triathlon is a student organization devoted to spreading knowledge and interest about the sport of triathlon to the UWG campus. Okay. Now, if we had created a Twitter account, or if our page already had a website, we could link it through this tab right here. All you would do is insert the URL to the web page to your Twitter account or your website, and that way you can link it through Facebook as well. And it says, will this page represent a real organization, school, or government? And since this is just an example, I'm going to say no. All right, so you save the information. Now, here is something pretty cool because this allows people to access your page directly through the URL and not have to go through Facebook to find it. So right here, this is what your URL would be that they can enter, and UWG Triathlon, I'm fine with that. But if you want to change it, you could change it to, you could just delete it and change it to wherever you to. If you wanted to make it West Georgia Triathlon, you could do that. But right now, I'm going to keep it as UWG Triathlon. Okay, if I can spell it right, Triathlon. Okay, so then we're just going to press Set Address. And now here comes a Facebook asks you if you want to enable ads on your website and allow funds to come in. I'm going to say no because it gets into a lot of legal stuff, and we're not a real organization, so I'm just going to skip this. Okay, so now congratulations, you've officially created a Facebook page. And now this button right here allows you to like your page um, as yourself, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. The next thing it asks you to do is you can actually invite your personal friends to like your page as well. And we'll go through those steps too, and we'll take a look at that. It allows you to go through your email contacts that you've used to create your account, what the email you've used to create your account. So that's a cool option to have. And right here is where you can actually share something as an organization to your followers and your fans, just letting them know what's going on, or giving them information. So, and here is what the timeline view looks like. So here's obviously the profile picture that we uploaded. Here is the description of the organization. And then down here is the timeline. And if I wanted to share something to my fans, I could say, hello, welcome to UWG Triathlon. Okay. And we also have the ability to add photos and videos and make this an event on our timeline, which is pretty cool because as you can see right here is an event. We joined Facebook, and it also shows when I inputted or when the organization was founded. And we can actually input that by hitting the edit or remove. And we'll change it, we'll make it December 2nd, 2011. And you could add photos, a location, but for now we're just going to skip that. Okay. So those are the basic functionalities of the page. Now we're going to take a look at how to continue changing your settings and what the user can know about you. So as you scroll down, you can see this little About button on the bottom. This is where the users can actually click and find out all of your information. Now right now, obviously all we have is the description. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the About side and we're going to go to Edit. And then there's a bunch of different stuff you can choose from. So if we wanted to have a certain category, we could say sport, and we could say that's not an athlete. We could say that we are a school sports team. Okay. So now this is all of our information: our name, when we started, um, our address if we had a place where we're located, who we're affiliated with, our members, a little bit deeper description about the organization, some of the awards we won, phone, email, and website. And this just allows the user to really become a part of your organization and to understand how to get in touch with you and who you really are. Now looking over here, we have a lot more options we can do. We can change the profile picture. We can manage our settings. This page, email notifications, manage the permissions of who can be on the page, who can see the page, and then over here we have the opportunity to add more people as administrators and add take away people as administrators, which really allows them to add people and to change stuff on the page. So that is your basic functionality of creating a Facebook page. So basically, Facebook is a great place for organizations to promote themselves and the activities or functions that they hold. ESPN did a great job creating theirs, and I hope that I've explained how you can create one for your organization. So thank you so much for your time.